All right, back again. This time with Victor. Gonna do personal select. Good luck. Good luck. JJ, you can go to the Chantilly show in a couple weeks.
Is it already coming up?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go in there and see what buys I can get.
I might try to make a you want to make a repack product? Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Gama's bathtub party.
I think we need to make this a regular thing. You just come in here and we just go back and forth.
I'm on the clock.
I like it.
I'm on the clock. As long as my boss doesn't watch any break videos, I'm good.
Bathtub? Oh, man. Yeah, it's fish. He owns the water business, too.
You know what pisses me off?
What?
These idiot Penske trucks out here parked in the middle of the road.
That really does annoy me. It annoys me, too.
I'm like, are you going to move? Or are you just going to sit there and look stupid?
QB4. Hey, Tara's new shoes.
What?
Oh, man.
Tara's new shoes.
Great. 125. Gold. That's a nice piece. Amari Cooper.
Good piece. Good piece.
10. Dak Prescott.
30
Okay,
points.
okay.
Okay.
37 of 149.
It's got a lot of rookie color.
It does. Kenyon Drake. 4 color to 49. Blue, Julio Jones. 125. And another gold to 10. Kenyon Drake autograph. Cool. All right, Victor. Appreciate it, brother. If I can get you anything else, just let me know.